Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to draw this geometric pattern together. Let's get started. For this geometric pattern you will need a technical compass, a technical pen, a triangle ruler, an A3 paper, and an HB pencil. Draw a circle in the center of the paper using a technical compass. Divide the circumference of the circle to 4 equal parts. From one of the previous points, start marking 5 points, each 5 millimeters apart using the technical compass. Measure point A to B. Keeping the technical compass unchanged, start dividing the whole circle. Now we have marked our main points. Now let's divide each main point to 5 millimeters subpoints. Start from point A on the right side, connect 5 subpoints, starting from the second one, as it is shown in the video. Leave 5 subpoints. Then start connecting point A to the other 5 subpoints. Repeat this until you finish 1/2. Repeat these steps until you finish 1/2. Continue by doing the same for the other half. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Oops! I made a mistake. I should draw it again. to the left side. This time start from the first subpoint and connect the 5 subpoints to point B. Repeat these steps until you finish one half. Follow the video and do the same thing for the other half. Did you like this pattern? Write your comment down below.